Okay, so I've run into my first problem with the vise that I just made. I think what's happening is when I waxed the pipe and all the wood, it made it to where it's just sliding and not catching and clamping down. Let's see if I can see this. It's just sliding on those catches. So what I think I'm going to try and do is take this apart, try and put teeth on those rings and see if it'll catch. Okay, so what I want to do is it sits in here like this and catches on the bottom side, catches the pipe, and the top side catches the pipe. But what I'm thinking is normally the long tabs are up top. I'm going to turn these around to where on the bottom so I have more leverage to release. So I'm going to file the bottom of this one and the top of this one. Okay, so lesson learned. I probably shouldn't have filed both the front and the back. I probably should have just filed the back side. So when I push this in, now the front teeth are catching it and creating grooves. So I'm going to have to try and switch these plates around to see if I can't get the teeth to stop catching in the front for me to be able to push in the vise. So maybe I should have probably just grooved the back top of these so that it wouldn't slide out in that direction, that the back teeth would catch that when I tighten down the clamp. So I'm going to take this apart again, try and switch these around and see if I can't get this to work a little better. That's what I get for using particle board. Alright, so that seemed to work. Just putting the grooves on the back side, not on both sides, so that it will catch as you tighten the vise instead of catching when you're trying to loosen it up. So all I have to do left is do the other side and try this out a couple more days, see how it works before I actually try and build the actual vise. So this is why I did the prototype, just in case I had to do some changes and everything. That way when I build the normal one, hopefully everything will be worked out. So thanks for watching, and until next time, be safe.